Hi, it's Tiffany from Play, Live, Repeat, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and like. You're going to see a lot of videos featuring my favorite toys, things to do, crafts, etc. Let's start with Bluey from New York Toy Fair in the Moose Toys booth. This collection is amazing and they're going to start rolling out in August 2020. Australia may be getting them first, I'm not quite sure, but I do know that this collection rocks, so let's begin. So these mini packs are adorable. Grannies, which is my favorite episode, Pool Time, Bandit and Bingo with the skateboard, and we also have a 3-pack featuring the cousins, Muffin and Socks, and it also has a bingo figure. Next up are mini playsets. Each playset includes key accessories to retell Bluey episodes to make up your own. We have a playground, barbecue set, we also have the doctor's set, and you can even see little miniature pieces that are just so awesome, like that mini xylophone, which had its own episode, even the salad from the barbecue set. Also, 4-packs are going to be coming out. We have the Friends 4-pack featuring Honey, Coco, Bluey, and Snickers. The Healer Crew, which was also in a 4-pack, includes Chili, the mom, Bluey, Bingo, and Bandit, the dad. The Healer family's 4-wheel drive vehicle comes with 2 surfboards, Bandit, and a sticker sheet to decorate the vehicle. The Healer Home is a multi-level playset that features rooms like the living room, kitchen, bedroom, and bathroom. The bedroom is Bingo and Bandit's, is Bingo and Bluey's bedroom. We also have plushies, and kids love plushies, especially really large ones. So this Bluey one is really gigantic. There's also going to be one coming out that actually sings the Bluey theme song. Super huggable, super soft, and very, very cuddly. The smaller plush include Bluey, Bingo, Snickers, and Coco. There will be 2 games perfect for toddlers and preschoolers, the Bingo Bingo game and a game based off the episode Shadowlands. Again, the release date will be August 2020 for the Bluey toys in the US, North America. You should start seeing them in big stores like Target, Walmart, and Amazon. You could actually check my link down in my description below. There are pre-orders open for some of the toys, and you can click that. That is actually an affiliate link. I do get a small commission if you click through it, no cost to you. So if you do that, I'd appreciate it. If you're new to my channel, you may recognize me from my other channel of the same name. I actually had to switch over and I'm changing gears a little bit. But if you want more retail info, you could check that out on my blog at playliverepeat.com. I love toys, I love sharing them, and I go to a lot of toy events. And make sure you subscribe so you can be a part of that. You could also check me out on Instagram at play.live.repeat and on Twitter at playliverepeat. The same for Facebook, and I'm on TikTok at Toy Mom. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and enjoy the rest of the video and your day. Bye!